Today we're gonna bring a two-piece assembly kit. Well, it comes with multiple ones, all right, but it's two-piece of it, right? So this attaches to this part right here, and you're supposed to hit this part in the bottom of it, and this actually goes to the post. Instructions are included in here, very thorough instructions how to set them up step by step, and they actually give you the tools to include it, right? So we're gonna set these up today, and I do have a post that needs an extra reinforcement that we're gonna do that. So we're gonna set one of them up first, and I'm gonna demo you guys how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so listen, this is how you actually screw it in, if you guys can see that. So we are gonna set up these to the bottom, but first we're gonna hammer this to the bottom to make sure we have a good secure pull. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, check this out. Reinforce the actual pole to hold on. Really stable. Get it all the way to the ground. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a punching bag here, and I want to make sure this is stable enough, strong enough that it won't fall down. So it's perfect with all the posts that you guys see.